Hi guys, welcome to my channel Teaching Expert. So today we are going to discuss about PowerPoint. So let's start the video. PowerPoint is a part of Microsoft Office suite of application. This suite has several software tools that provide everything you need to run an office. It contains Word for typing documents, Outlook for mail, Excel for spreadsheet, Access for building small databases. Office is a subscription-based service, although it did not used to be, so you pay either monthly or a year in advance for your subscription. The subscription level that you choose determines the added extras Microsoft include with your service. You need a Microsoft account to download and subscribe to Office. With your download, you can install only PowerPoint or all Office applications. You make this choice during the installation program after downloading the install executable from Microsoft website. After you install Office, the application you choose to add to your computer is shown up in the window taskbar. Microsoft Office. In the image above, 5 Office icons are shown. Microsoft has different colors for each application icon, but the letter in the icon also indicates the application that will open should you click it. The PowerPoint icon is orange with the letter P in it. Notice the difference in icon between PowerPoint 2019 and Word. The Word application is open in this illustration. Opening PowerPoint. After you install the PowerPoint application, then see the icon in your taskbar. You can open it on your desktop. Click the icon and wait a few seconds for the PowerPoint application to open. PowerPoint brings you to the template window where you can choose to open a new document using a pre-made installed template file. So here you can see the PowerPoint opening window in the image. The opening window has several options. At this window, you make the option to decide on the file that you want to work with. You can work with the existing file that you saved previously, or you can create a new file from a blank presentation or a pre-installed template. Interested in learning more? Why not take an online PowerPoint course? So this is the online PowerPoint 2019 course. In the recent tab, you see all files that you have recently opened, worked with, and saved. If you click one of these files, you can skip the hassle of searching for recently stored file and immediately open them from the window. The top section of the window is a list of templates available. Templates are a good way to create a slideshow that already has a background and colors with the theme. If you don't want to design a presentation, then you can use a pre-designed theme, use a blank presentation. However, you can create your own design and layout for a new slideshow. The home section of the PowerPoint window has a several options, but you can also click new to create a new slideshow or open to open a new file. The Shared with Me tab in the home section displays a list of slideshows shared with you using your Microsoft iCloud account. A new feature to Microsoft Office software is integration with an iCloud account. If you have ever had a Google account and used its cloud services, Microsoft Office is similar. Microsoft lets you share documents with other users within an organization. You share files with specific users and these users can edit them and add notes for revisions and comments. Sharing in the cloud is a safer way to store documents because these files are tied to cloud account and stored on Microsoft servers. Should your computer crash, your files are stored safely. After you restore your computer, log back into your Microsoft iCloud account and files are still there.